What's going on, people? It's me Elson back again with another video on 10 Google search tips and tricks. Google is the way how we consume information in today's world. Everything we need is on the Google. Want to build anything? We Google it first. Want to know about anything? We surely Google it. Or even if you want to search some images, then we use the same Google. So Google is the part of how we learn, and the best thing is you can learn now it how to Google. Yep, I know that it's very easy, just open up any browser and search for it. But what about different searching, so that you can only get the result you were searching for? It's not that easy, but to make it easier for you, here we have some tricks. You can use them to narrow down your searches.
I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming, I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming, 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 I've been dreaming.